Alright, this is a quick Pokemon Trade Binder update. Not much changed, but I have a couple wants. I'm basically trying to build my Keldo Blastoise deck from the online card game. Wants will be in the description, so if you guys see anything, let me know. I could also look at binders. Those two are promos. The two Charizards. These are not the secret rares, these are the normal 50s and 60s, whatever it is. So yeah. If you have any questions on condition, etc., just let me know. I prefer you to PM me because most likely I'll be on my phone. If not, you can comment, and whenever I get to my laptop, I'll send you a message. Trying to work around that glare. So yeah. Yeah, some kids raging over there under the Xbox. So yeah, that's my Pokemon Trade Binder. Thanks for watching.